Hey there, hair enthusiasts! Ever felt like your hair has a mind of its own, especially on those humid days? Frizz can be a real buzzkill, but fear not. In today's video, we're diving deep into the science behind frizz and introducing you to a product that can tame it in just one wash: Mayraki Silky Smooth Hair Repairing Treatment. How does frizz happen? Frizz occurs when the outer layer of your hair, called the cuticle, becomes damaged or raised. This allows moisture to penetrate the hair shaft, causing it to swell and become unruly. Mayraki Silky Smooth is formulated with a blend of natural ingredients that work together to smooth the cuticle, reduce frizz, and enhance shine. Key ingredients include hydrolyzed keratin, a protein that mimics the structure of your hair, helping to repair damage and smooth the cuticle. Argan oil, rich in fatty acids and antioxidants, argan oil nourishes and hydrates your hair. Shea butter, a natural moisturizer that helps soften and protect your hair. To use Mayraki Silky Smooth, simply apply it to damp hair after shampooing. Massage it into your hair, focusing on the ends, and rinse thoroughly. For optimal results, use it regularly as part of your hair care routine. Tames frizz. Reduces frizz and flyaways for a smoother, more polished appearance. Enhances shine. Adds a healthy, radiant shine to your hair. Repairs damage. Helps repair split ends and damaged hair cuticles. Hydrates hair. Provides deep hydration for soft, manageable hair. Mayraki Silky Smooth offers a simple and effective solution for taming your unruly hair. With its blend of natural ingredients and powerful benefits, you can enjoy smooth, shiny, and healthy hair in just one wash. Ready to say goodbye to frizz and hello to beautiful hair? Head over to the link in the description to purchase Mayraki Silky Smooth and experience the difference for yourself. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more hair care tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.